In this video, I'll show you how to save Canva. When you make any change of your design, let's say I want to add some text in here, results here, it will automatically save in your canvas because Canva is a completely cloud software. You don't need to save your design again and again. If any change happens in your canvas, it will automatically save to your Canva editor. So this is the first thing. And second thing is, if you need to save your Canva design in your laptop or desktop, you should download your design. So how you can save your Canva design in your computer? Just click share button. Now click download button, and here you will see a couple of options available. Based on your file format, you need to select any of the file format. If it is a document, you can save your file as a PDF standard or as a PDF print. If it is image, then you can save it as a JPG or PNG or SVG. If it is PowerPoint, then you should download it as a PPTX. If it is video, you can download it as a MP4 videos. So as my design is a document, I need to click share, download, and I need to save this document. Either it is as a PDF standard or PDF print. If you need very high quality design to store or save, you can click PDF print. Or if you need to consider your file size limited, you can click PDF standard. Let's say I want to keep it as a PDF standard. And now click download button. And now start download, and your Canva is saved to your computer now. So this is stored in your computer. Now let's say I want to save this design, as this is a image or design, or this is a Canva design. I need to save it as a either PNG or JPG. PNG file format is very high quality file format, or if you want to select it as a JPG, your file format will be very small. Maybe your design quality will decrease. So I want to save it as a PNG file. Now click the page number, as it is page number 1. I want to select page number 1 only, and then done. And now click download. My design also downloaded in my computer. If I want to see my image or my document in my computer, I need to go to download folder. So this is my download folder, and this one my latest design which I stored in my computer. And also my design is in image format. This is my design which I downloaded from Canva and stored it in my computer. So that's it. This way you can save Canva in your computer. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I will read your comment and reply as soon as possible. Thanks again.